In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix this account can no longer use WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, try reopening the app and carefully reading the full message. WhatsApp often shows a request a review or contact support button. Tap on it immediately because this is the official way to appeal your ban. You'll need to confirm your phone number and sometimes explain your situation briefly. Next, make sure you are using the official version of WhatsApp from Google Play Store or App Store. If you are using modified versions like GB WhatsApp or unofficial WhatsApp, your number can be permanently banned and you'll need to switch back to the official app. Another step is to check your phone for issues like VPN usage or spam like behavior. Using a VPN or spending too many messages in a short time can sometimes trigger WhatsApp security system. Turn off VPN, restart your phone and try again after a few hours. If your account still does not work, you can contact WhatsApp support directly from the help center and submit your phone number with a clear explanation. In some cases, temporary bans are lifted within 24 to 72 hours if no serious violation is found. However, if the ban is permanent, WhatsApp may not restore the number. In that case, you may need to register a new number to continue using the service. And that's it. One of these methods should definitely fix your issue. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.